One cold, winter's night, a poor shoemaker lived in a small cottage. He worked hard every day, but had little to show for it. The shoemaker was tired and sad, but he went to bed, hoping for a better tomorrow. As he slept, he had a dream. In his dream, he saw two tiny elves appearing in his workshop. They were busy working on pairs of beautiful shoes. The shoemaker watched in awe as the elves worked all night, creating magnificent shoes. In the morning, the shoemaker woke up and went to his workshop. To his surprise, he found the shoes from his dream sitting on the bench. The shoes were so beautiful, and the shoemaker knew they would sell for a high price. The next day, the shoemaker sold the shoes for a lot of gold coins. He used the money to buy food, materials, and even some warm blankets for his wife and himself. The shoemaker and his wife lived happily ever after, knowing that they would always have enough. But the shoemaker never forgot the kindness of the elves. He decided to leave a pair of shoes and some food outside his workshop every night, hoping that the elves would return. And every night, the elves did come, leaving even more beautiful shoes for the shoemaker. The shoemaker and his wife lived happily and comfortably for the rest of their lives, knowing they had the help of the kind elves. They told their story to their children and grandchildren, passing on the lesson of giving and kindness. The end.